Hey guys, I'm really mad right now. I just I uploaded the video anyways, so you guys can go watch that. My storage space ran out, so I had to end the thing. It ended for me, but if you haven't seen it yet, we unboxed this and we got this Mewtwo EX card, and it's pretty cool, and I'm really annoyed right now. Anyway, here's the big card. I can prove that I just unboxed it because you can go check out the other video. And the box right here. Okay, so let me show you the packs real quick. So there's one pack. I don't know why I'm doing this right now. Well, I don't know why. That I'm just gonna shut my mouth. Okay, so first we're gonna take out this big card. And it's pretty cool, as you can see. It's a Mewtwo EX good card. So let me get some scissors because I don't want to tear the pack. So let me pause the video. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back and I got the scissors. So let's cut this. And as you can see, I didn't do anything to any of the packs. Okay, so let's open this first. Trying to be very careful because I need some space. I don't want to scatter my cards around, so I'm just going to put them. God dang it. Oh, wait, what the? Okay. Code. Put it in the front. Nice. First of all, we've got this. What is it called? Flaffy. Armo Fossil Shielding. Leafy. Sneasel. Leo. I'm just going to hold the camera like this so you can kind of see better. And I'm not going to pronounce their names, but oh. Hold on guys, I'm just going to do this so it might be easier for me to put this card. Ooh, I think I see something. And air palm. Oh my gosh. We're doing really good now. Really good on the first one. I've got a reverse. So this is the good pile. And I'll just put, yeah, that's a reverse. Okay, so let me get my other card. Okay, so I just opened that one. I'm gonna get the cards in order real quick. Gosh dang it. Trying to be really quick, guys. Okay, guys, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do that. Trying to get something off the screen and it cut it off. So we're right back with it. I did not take any of the cards out, as you can see. I can open up this blister. Wait, what is it? Okay, this is the breakthrough. Where's the start? Back there. So I haven't added any cards, I swear. If I get a good card in this, I swear. I do code time at the end. Okay. If you don't know the trick, the card trick, when you get a pack, you open it, you take 3 from the back and put it in the front. I hope that wasn't a good card. I think that's all. Gosh dang it. So first of all, I got this pincer. I'm not gonna say their names. Oopsie. Amor. Doduo. I'm gonna say the names now. Viplup, I think. Hippopotamus. Vanquish and oopsie. Flubby. Okay, yes. Yes. This is a really good card. I know that 162. 62. So, guys, I'm gonna go get a sleeve. Hey, Nam, could you go bring me my Pokemon folder, please?
Where is it?
It's on the couch, I think. Thank you. So we haven't got an EX, but we have got this really cool supporter, and he's really good. And I will put him over here. So, let's open the next. I think I cut a card, guys. Damn it. That wasn't a good card. Gosh dang it. We're basically playing rip it or flip it now. Okay. Okay, so guys, if you haven't seen my Pokemon folder, yep. Crap. Oh. Thank you, Nanya. Here's the cards out of here. And oh God. So let me put this one right here. Okay. So close this. Okay. So Bagam, or I'm not sure. Pikachu. Oh, a reverse. Okay. Meowth. Cocoon. So something bad. Swallow. Absol. Okay. Lissar. Or I don't know how to say that. Tranquil. And Rocky Spirit Link. Okay, I'm getting really sucky cards now. Gosh dang it. Well, everything sucks for my life. Well, okay, I don't care. And I caught another stinking. I swear, there's not any X in this. There is not any X in this. Came from the front, I think. Oh, dang it. Alright, so, code 1. So just take 2 because I already put 3 in front. So I got an Arcanine, Puzzle of Time, Swanna, Froakie, Clefairy, Ralph, Drowsy. Okay, last card. Katot. I'm gonna play rip it or flip it with these cards. Oh, gosh dang it. Man, I got to suck these cards. I did these whole things. I got sucky cards, but I mean, whatever. My life sucks, so there's code. 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 So, yes, this is all. Oh, wait, did I open? Yeah, I opened those shitty cards too. So, yeah, guys, that's it for the crappy card review. So, yeah. That's it. Bye. Your man. Peace out.